Hey guys, how you doing? Dan from SuckleBusters. We're here in the SuckleBusters kitchen. Today we're cooking pinto beans, SuckleBusters style. I got my black hat on. Special recipe today is going to be all beans, no gas. Hey, today we're using SuckleBusters pinto bean recipe. This recipe was inspired by Candy Schultz, the bean queen. She shared it with me. I'm going to share it with you. Recipe's right on the back of the box. Our recipe calls for 1 pound of pinto beans. We start out with the dry beans, okay? You can do this a couple of different ways. If you have extra time, you can soak these overnight in a pot of water. Today we're going to use the quick method. Real simple. Just dump the beans in the bowl, okay? Cover it with water, about a quart of water. We're going to take these beans to the stove. We're going to bring them to a boil. Put a lid on it, turn the heat off, and let them set for 1 hour. So we let our beans rest for 1 hour. I rinsed them, and we're going to return them back to the pot. Okay, beans are in the pot. Now it's time to assemble all our other ingredients. We're going to start off with 32 ounces of chicken broth. Add that to the pot. 1 ham hock, or you can use ham bone or any sort of smoked meat. We're going to add 1 packet of the SuckleBusters pinto bean seasoning. We're going to add 1 diced white onion or yellow onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 2 diced jalapeno peppers. Now that we got all the ingredients here, just stir them up, get them nice and incorporated, okay? Then I got a couple of secret ingredients that are not on the label. Number 1, Rotel tomatoes. Rotel tomatoes makes everything good. Add a can of Rotel tomatoes. And now for the secret ingredient. If you want all beans, no gas, add a sliced up russet potato. Just stick it down in there and let it cook along with the beans. Now you just put the lid on, take this over to your blaze cooktop, and we're gonna simmer these for about 2 hours until they're done. Yeah, the beans are all done. 3 hours, 1 hour to prep, 2 to cook. All that's left now is, I like to add a little bit of jalapeno on top, fresh sliced. I like to add SuckleBusters pepper sauce, shredded cheese. All that's left to do now is eat these beans. Oh dang, those beans are gas without the gas. So that's it for our all beans, no gas. Oh, I almost forgot. Whatever you do, don't eat the potato.
I don't know where everybody went, but beans and potatoes, I gotta see what that's about. They're lost.
Don't eat that potato. Ken? Ken? I think we killed Kenny.